just wanted to show you something really quick that I got at Walmart, and I'm going to organize my brads in these. I only got one right now, and I'll put the information below. I pulled off the packaging and threw it away before I thought about that you guys might want to see this, but it looks like it's got some styrofoam in there, which I don't know why. Anyway, it seems like it might be a really good little container, and it was only $1.47, and I got it through like the Walmart pickup. And the size, oh my gosh, my desk is such a mess. Let me see what size it is. These are leaves that I pressed that I don't know what to do with. That's why they're still here. Look, isn't that cool? I think that's Virginia Creeper. And then I tried to do some sunflowers, but they didn't do too well. They got moldy. And apparently it's a good idea to mist what you're going to press with alcohol before you press it, so that it doesn't mold. Anyway, yeah, so these are supposed to be 1-inch squares on my desk. So if you can see that, it looks like it's about 3.5 inches. Let's do the top. The top is bigger. So it looks like it's about 3.5 or 3 1/3 inches this way by almost 6 inches this way. And I thought it might be a cheap piece of junk, but I think it's going to be pretty good. So what I did was I had my brads all in here. I just got these from an outlet haul, and I had this completely packed full. But then I thought, I don't want to dig through them like this. I would rather see them out. So I will get more of these now that I know that they're good, or they seem to be good. And I'm going to decant, if you will, my brads into here. So I wasn't sure when I saw it. I didn't realize how small it was going to be. But I mean, for my collection, it seems to be big enough to hold everything. Anyway, I picked out, has 10 slots, so I picked out my 10 favorites. Of course, the bee is in there. We'll see if these will all fit. And then afterward, I found this. I forgot I had it. It's an old vintage box to hold rollers, and I had all of my miniature Christmas tree ornaments. These are vintage jingle bells that I had gotten at a garage sale, I think. And then these came from my grandmother's. They all fell out of the box, but they are little teensy, shiny bright ornaments. And if I put them on a small tree, I'll probably put them one at a time, but I think she was putting them in clusters on a regular sized tree. And they've got, you can see all the pretty little colors down in there, pink and green and blue and red. I need to start going to garage sales again. Oh, here's some that you can see better. Look, and they've got that vintage petite. Well, this one's not old, but look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? And I totally forgot I had them. So I'm going to be using those for sure. I need to rebag them. This bag looks like it's got some grub in it. Anyway, so I'm going to have to find a new box for all these things, because I think I want to put my, oh yeah, and then these are new. These are not vintage, but they're also for little trees. What all's in here? Huh. I guess that's for making a don't know what that's for.
What's that dang thing doing here?
Sorry, you're getting to experience my ADD, right? Firsthand. Okay, so put this stuff back, and we'll just have to find a new way to store this stuff, because I think this box and many more friends, it can have many more friends that will fit in here. And I think I could probably fit like probably 3 high and possibly 3 this way. I'm not positive. But anyway, so I thought that would be really cute. And then I can just grab this off the shelf, and I'll have all of my little doodads in it. So anyway, let's just get these decanted, and then that's all. Oh, aren't they so cute? I'm gonna have to watch some videos on how to use all these adorable little brads. Maybe make some greeting cards. Oh, that one's right at the tippy top. Tippy top. We got the bright colored flowers, and let's see if the pastels will fit. Oh, it's a close one. It's gonna be a close one. I think they might. I hope. Hope very much. Okay. We got our compass brads. Them right there. Ooh, coffee brads. Coffee brads. Can go there. We got our superhero brads. Let's see. What are we missing? Guess just these two. The little fawns. So cute. And the little foxes. Hey, look at that. Now let's see. It will close. Uh-oh. Is it going to close? Yeah. Yeah, it's going to close. I was just being trepidatious. So, looky there. Isn't that neat? And yeah, so pretty excited. Gonna order more. I will put the information about it, like what it's called or any kind of a part number or whatever, in the description box below. Hope you guys have a good day. Remember, always stay busy. Bye.